When it comes to losing belly fat quickly, doctors and fitness experts agree on one powerful, time-tested exercise: brisk walking. It may sound simple, but this single move activates your entire core, improves your metabolism, reduces stress hormones, and burns more fat than most complicated workouts. All you need is a steady pace, swinging your arms, and keeping your posture tall. Walk for 20 to 30 minutes daily at a speed that slightly challenges your breathing but still feels comfortable. This raises your heart rate just enough to target stubborn abdominal fat while staying safe for beginners, overweight individuals, and people with joint issues. Brisk walking also lowers inflammation, improves digestion, balances blood sugar, and boosts overall energy, making it one of the most doctor-approved exercises for sustainable belly fat loss. Start today, stay consistent, and in just a few weeks, you'll feel lighter, stronger, and more confident in your body.